So the thing about a credit rating and then a credit score as a visualization of that is it's a measure of your use of credit over time.
Welcome back to Generation Gains, where we equip millennials with the tools and knowledge to build wealth, secure financial freedom, and live with financial confidence. Today, we're diving deep into a subject that's essential to your financial journey: how to use credit wisely. Understanding credit isn't just about borrowing money. It's about building a strong financial foundation, boosting your wealth, and preparing for your future. To put it simply, credit is a powerful tool when used the right way. When you use credit strategically, it can help you build wealth, improve your financial security, and open doors to opportunities like loans, investment ventures, and business growth. On the flip side, mismanaging credit can derail your financial progress and lead to costly mistakes. In this video, we're going to break down how you can use credit wisely, improve your credit score, and leverage it to build wealth without falling into the trap of debt. Your credit score is one of the most critical financial numbers you'll encounter. This number impacts nearly every aspect of your financial life, from securing favorable interest rates on loans to determining your ability to qualify for a mortgage or auto loan. Your credit score is a key indicator of your financial trustworthiness. Your credit score is not just a number, it's your financial reputation. The better your score, the easier it is to access credit at lower interest rates, which can save you thousands of dollars over your lifetime. On the other hand, a poor credit score can prevent you from securing loans, lead to higher interest rates, and even limit job opportunities in certain fields. Simply put, your credit score is financial power. A strong credit score can open up opportunities like home ownership or starting your own business, while a low score can keep you stuck in a cycle of debt, paying higher interest rates, and missing out on financial growth. The good news, improving your credit score is possible, and using credit wisely is one of the most effective ways to do it. Understanding the factors that contribute to your credit score is crucial. Your credit score is made up of 5 key components, and each one plays a role in determining how lenders view you. Let's break these down. Payment history, 35%. The most significant factor in your credit score is your payment history, making up 35% of your overall score. This includes whether you've paid your bills on time, how often you miss payments, and whether you've ever had a debt sent to collections. The key here is to always pay your bills on time. Even one late payment can have a significant impact on your score. If you've missed payments in the past, don't be discouraged. It's possible to rebuild your score with consistent on-time payments. Credit utilization, 30%. The second largest factor affecting your score is your credit utilization, which makes up 30%. This is the ratio of the amount of credit you're using compared to your total available credit. Ideally, you should aim to keep your credit utilization under 30%. This means if you have a credit limit of $10,000, you should aim to carry a balance of no more than $3,000. Keeping this ratio low is crucial for maintaining a healthy score. Length of credit history, 15%. The length of your credit history accounts for 15% of your score. The longer your credit history, the more it can positively affect your score. This is why it's important to avoid closing old accounts, even if you're not using them. The longer you have open accounts with a solid payment history, the better it is for your credit score. New credit, 10%. Opening new credit accounts can impact your score. This factor makes up 10% of your score. Each time you apply for credit, it results in a hard inquiry on your report, which can cause a slight drop in your score. While this is normal, applying for multiple new credit accounts in a short period can lower your score and signal to lenders that you may be overextending yourself. Credit mix, 10%. Finally, your credit mix makes up 10% of your score. This refers to the variety of credit accounts you have: credit cards, installment loans, like car loans or student loans, and mortgage loans. Lenders like to see that you can manage different types of credit responsibly. While this factor has a smaller impact on your score, it can help boost it over time. Now let's talk about how to use credit to build wealth. The key to using credit wisely is to view it not as an enemy to your finances, but as a tool that can help you reach your financial goals. Here's how you can leverage credit in a way that supports long-term wealth building. Leverage credit for investments. One of the smartest ways to use credit is to leverage it for investments that will increase in value over time. Think about investing in real estate, starting a business, or purchasing assets that generate income. While there are risks involved, using borrowed money to acquire appreciating assets is a common strategy for wealth building. However, it's important to do thorough research and have a clear plan in place before using credit for investments. Earn rewards in cash. Another smart way to use credit is by utilizing credit cards that offer rewards, points, or cash back. These rewards can add up over time and provide you with a nice bonus that can be reinvested or used to cover other expenses. However, it's crucial that you pay off your balance in full each month to avoid paying interest, which would negate any rewards you've earned. If used correctly, rewards credit cards can be a great way to get more value out of your spending. Build credit history. If you're just starting your credit journey, you can use credit to build a solid credit history. Start with a secured credit card or a low-limit card if you're new to credit. By making small, regular purchases and paying them off in full each month, you can build a positive credit history that will serve you well in the future. The goal is to establish good habits early on to ensure that your credit score rises over time. While credit can be an invaluable tool, it's also easy to fall into common pitfalls that can hurt your finances and your credit score. Let's look at some of the key mistakes to avoid when using credit. Avoid high interest and late fees. One of the most expensive mistakes you can make is carrying a balance on a credit card that comes with a high interest rate. Interest can add up quickly, and if you don't pay off your balance, you could end up paying more in interest than you borrowed. Always aim to pay off your balance in full each month to avoid high interest charges. If you do need to carry a balance, focus on paying it down as quickly as possible to minimize interest costs. Limit credit applications. Every time you apply for credit, a hard inquiry is placed on your credit report, which can slightly lower your score. If you apply for multiple credit cards or loans in a short period, it can negatively affect your score and make you seem like a higher risk borrower. It's best to limit how often you apply for new credit and only do so when absolutely necessary. To use credit effectively, you need to have a solid plan in place. Managing your credit isn't about making impulsive decisions. It's about being strategic, disciplined, and proactive. Here's how you can start building your plan. Set up bill reminders. Never miss a payment again by setting up reminders for your bills. Whether you use a calendar app or an automatic payment feature, staying on top of your due dates will help you maintain a positive payment history. Keep utilization under 30%. Keep your credit card balances low relative to your credit limits. Aim to keep your utilization ratio under 30%. This shows lenders that you're using credit responsibly and helps maintain a healthy credit score. Check your credit report regularly. It's important to monitor your credit regularly to ensure there are no mistakes or fraudulent activities affecting your score. You're entitled to one free credit report each year from the 3 major credit bureaus. Take advantage of this to stay informed about your credit standing. Using credit wisely can be the key to unlocking your financial potential. By managing your credit responsibly, you can build a strong credit score, avoid expensive fees and interest, and use credit to invest in your future. Whether you're building credit from scratch or looking to leverage credit for greater wealth-building opportunities, the strategies we've discussed today can help you take control of your financial future. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on building wealth, managing your finances, and securing your financial freedom. Thanks for watching Generation Gains, and we'll see you next time with more strategies to help you build the life you deserve.